Welcome to Blue Baron Carpet Cleaning Systems, home of the Access Point heat exchangers and Blue Baron truck mounts. This is January 25th, 2020, and we got an assembly line going on here for orders that have just come in for this month, and we have an Aviator 36 we're finishing up on. We have a 47XL almost completely done going to Oregon, and we have another unit here that's going to California. And as you can see, we've been really busy. This month has taken in a lot of orders. We've got heat exchangers, our famous Access Point heat exchangers, doing a Legend aftermarket for a guy in Alberta, Canada. We've got another unit for a generic system. And as you can see, we're very, very busy fulfilling the orders and working late hours. A lot of times we've been working late hours, even on Saturdays. This is Saturday right now, and the 25th of January. And we've just been really busy. So give us a call today at 727, or tomorrow, or whenever you decide to give us a call and you have questions, 727-505-2989. And come down here to Florida and try out our demonstrator, and you'll be amazed by the heat and the suction that this machine puts out. As you can see, we got stainless going on here with beautiful headers, very well put together unit. These units are masterpieces, and they are wonderful operating machines that can give you all the dependability you need to do commercial and residential jobs. 3,000 PSI is what these 47s put out. And that's because this is a 3,500 pound pressure rated unit. So as you can see, we take a lot of pride in building our units, especially our quarter plate frames. And our Access Point heat exchangers are Schedule 10 stainless pipe housing. And they get nicely polished up. They're all TIG welded. And we just really take a lot of pride in what we do. Call us today at 727-505-2989. Thank you.